Embark on a captivating virtual tour of Drake's magnificent house through Google Earth. Witness the allure of his stunning mansion nestled within North York, Toronto. Marvel at the grandeur of the opulent estate, surrounded by lush greenery. Drake's home is more than just a house, it's a reflection of his unparalleled success in the music industry and a testament to his boundless creativity. While Google Earth may not take us indoors, we can imagine the opulence that awaits within those walls. From this bird's-eye perspective, we gain a unique appreciation for the thriving metropolis that has fueled Drake's artistry. Google Earth unveils this hidden gem, showcasing the magic of his musical world. Please subscribe the channel for more tours.